के है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट नेक्स्ट वीक Jan 19 to 23 Sensex Nifty may stay volatile as global Q3 results dominate. Indian equity market are expected to remain volatile in the coming week from January 19 to January 23 as investors negative a mix of the global geopolitical developments, domestic earning announcement and institutional fund flow after a choppy week of the trading. Benchmark indices ended almost flat, reflecting growing indecision and among market participants. Stock market next week from 19 to 23 January. Sensex Nifty weekly prediction. The benchmark indices the witness serves swing through the week of the before setting marginally higher. The Indian benchmark indices the witness a volatile roller coaster movement during the week before eventually settings almost flat. The Nifty 50 ended the week at 25,694.35 up just 0.4%, while the BSC Sensex closed at 83,570.35. In contrast, the Bank Nifty outperforms, gaining 1.42% to ended at 60,095.15. On the sectoral front, capital market, PSU, banks and the metal stock emerged as the top performance, gaining nearly 5%, 4.8% and 4.5% respectively. Meanwhile, consumer durable, the realty and the pharmaceutical stock underperformance, the decline between 2% and 3% over the week. The relative strength in the banking stocks, particularly PSU banks, helped cushion the broader market weakness. The outperformance in the banking space was largely driven by the renewed buying interest in PSU bank, which helped improve overall sentiment within the banking index. Dr. Ravi Singh, Chief Research Officer at the Master Capital Service, note. Key factor to drive market sentiment this week. Global cues are likely to remain a likely driver of the market sentiment next week. Early optimism during the previous week, triggered by the comment from the newly appointed US ambassador to India regarding the progress on a bilateral trade agreement, fed and quickly as geopolitical tension the resurfaced.